Hi, welcome back again to Layman's Guide to Cracking the Coding Interview. I'm Jocks, and today we have a fairly simple and easy problem. So this is the problem. We sell the lemonade to each lemonade in $5. The customer always comes with $5 or $10 or the $20 bill. You are supposed to give a chance if payment is higher than 5. If you have all chains until end, return true, else return false. So these are the transactions. So instead of lemonade, I should put it ice cream, because we have a pictures with the ice cream. So just to make sure we are synchronized with image and the text. So okay, now we have ice cream. So then its ice cream is a $5. So here's the input. The scenario one is like this. The first person comes with the $5. The second person comes with another $5, right? So the next person comes with the $10. So then we need to return him the $5 since we have it in our counter. Now we have a $15, 1 5 and 1 10. The $20 bill comes in, and then we hand him with the $10 and the $5 bill. So when we have another $10 coming up, we still have a $5, right? So we give him the $5. So in that case, sorry, I think this should be a $5, not $10. If it's 10, then it's gonna be false. So let me put the $5. So in that case, we just take the $5. So we'll have a 20 and the 5 1. So that's the case. So that's why we're returning the true, because there's nothing like a sort of any currency, sort of any money. So we have a second situation. So we have a $5 bill. The another guy comes in, he hands in the $10 bill. Then we give him the $5 bill. So now we just have a $10. The other guy comes in with the $20 bill. So then we just have a $10. We don't have another $5. So in this case, we can't do any transaction. So we just simply return the false in this case. So let's look at the pictures. The reason I changed the lemonade instead of ice cream is because of the image here. So the guy sells the ice cream. He brings in with the $5 bill. So he gives the seller the $5, gets the ice cream, and the transaction is complete. And the second person comes in there, and she also comes with the Abraham Lincoln bill. So then he gives him. So she takes the ice cream and get bags. So now she have a $5 bill. So the third person comes in with the $10 bill, the Hamilton bill. So then she hands in the $10 bill and hands back the $5 bill. So now she have a 10 and 5. So this is what she have in her counter. So another guy comes with the Andrew Jackson, the $20 bill, and then he hands the $20 bill. So she gives him the ice cream along with the $15 bill here. So now in her counter, she only have a $20 bill, but the last person is with the $5. So he gives a $5 bill, he gets the ice cream. So story is over, because we have only that much of transaction in that day. So we have a second situation as we discussed earlier. So he comes with the $5 bill. He hands over, gets the ice cream, goes off. Then another woman comes in. So she bought the $20 bill. So the seller only have a $5 bill. She start with the $10 bill. The transaction is incomplete. So we just return the false in that situation. So in this case, the seller just say that, sorry, I don't have any change. So in this case, we return the false. So it's pretty simple and easy. Anyone can do this. So let me show you the code right away. So here we have a code. So given an input, this is the situation, 5, 5, 10, 20, and I should put 5 over here. So that will be true for the first instance. So every time we get the $5 or the $10 bill, we do the count. At first, doesn't have any. So the first should always be a $5, so that she will have a cash to make a transaction to someone who comes with the higher dollar bill. So let me go to the debug mode, and we can keep an eye on the debug side here. So first, we have I as in 0. That's like a first guy who comes with a $5 bill. So we increment the number of 5. So we have a $1 of 5 bill. So in this case, we check the end statement. If we have a less than $5 or the less than $10, in that case, we return the false. So far it's not like that. So then the another guy comes in, and in this case, he also brings the $5 bill. So we have a two $5 bill. So we have a $5 as a 2 and $10 bill, none, because we just did the two transaction, 5 and 5. So check the conditions. The condition doesn't meet, so we have a still okay condition. So now on the third statement, we have a guy with a $10 bill. So then he adds in the $10 and hands over the $5 bill. Then we check the condition whether we are short of $5. I mean, we are less than what we are supposed to have. If that's not the case, we are okay to go. So far it's okay because we still have one of the $5 and one of the $10. Now another guy comes with the $20 bill. So in that case, it's at this point. So then we still check if we are higher than the $10 bill. If the 10 is higher than the 0, so the case is true. So we decrement 10 and we decrement 5. In that case, we'll check this condition again. So far it's okay. So we just go to another case. So we have a $5. So we just add the $5. When there's a $5, it's just okay. There's no problem. So far we make all the transactions. And do we have any more customers? No more. End of the day, this is true. So now let me put some other example that we had it earlier. We had 5 and then we had a 20, 10, doesn't matter in fact. So at first got a $5, sure. So we just put it into the count of 5s. And then another guy comes with a $10 bill, sorry, $20 bill. So in this case, we are not okay because we don't have that much. We don't have like a $5 bill. We don't have a $10 bill. So it's checking. If we have a $10, no. So we're just decrementing the 5. So once we decrement the 5, we still need to check whether we are going to the negative number, which shouldn't be. So in this case, we are. So we have a -2. That means it's not the good transaction. I mean, they didn't do the transactions. So we just simply return the false. And then we have a return statement, a return value as a false. So this would simply be false right here. Earlier we had a true, now we had a false. Let me get back to the original example. So in this case, we have a true. So that's it. Thank you.